Light is one of the most fascinating mysteries of the universe. It behaves like a wave, spreading out and bending, yet at the same time, it acts like tiny particles called photons. This dual nature puzzled scientists for centuries. From Newton's particle theory to the wave theory and finally to quantum mechanics, our understanding of light has evolved dramatically. Today we know that light doesn't just illuminate, it interacts with matter in complex ways, affecting everything from photosynthesis in plants to the technology we use every day. Light truly is the key to understanding the universe.